In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF and ask questions in the DeepSeek app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a PDF to your chat and get clear answers from it, all within a few taps. First, open the DeepSeek app on your device. Give it a second to load and make sure you're on the main chat screen. If you're starting fresh, tap New Chat, which is the plus icon inside a circle at the top right. Prefer to keep your conversation going in a thread you already have? That works too. Tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, at the top left to open your existing chats, then choose the one you want. Once you're inside a chat, look down at the message box. On the right side, you'll see a small plus sign. Tap that to bring up your attachment options. From the options that appear, tap the paperclip icon, which represents documents. This is what lets you attach files like PDFs to your conversation. Next, you'll be taken to your device's Files app. Navigate to where your PDF is saved. If you've downloaded it recently, it might be in your Recents or Downloads folder. If it's stored in a cloud folder, just browse to that location. Take a moment to double check the file name so you're selecting the right document. Then tap it to highlight your choice. Tap Open to attach the PDF to your chat. Depending on the file size and your connection, it may take a moment to finish attaching. You'll usually see the file appear just above the message box, confirming it's ready to go. Now type your question about the PDF in the message box. The more specific you are, the better the results. You can reference sections, headings, or page numbers to help the model target the right part of the document. For example, summarize the key points from the introduction on page 1, or what are the main conclusions in the final section? When you're happy with your question, tap Send, which is the up arrow on the right. That's it. You've opened the DeepSeek app, chosen a new or existing chat, attached your PDF from the Files app, and sent a clear question. If the document is lengthy, give the app a moment to process. You can follow up with more focused questions to dive deeper into specific parts of the PDF. Thanks for watching and enjoy getting quick, precise answers from your documents right inside DeepSeek.